What's up, everybody? DJ Bucky here. And, Buck, one of the matchups I'm looking forward to, one of the games, really, you look at the Green Bay Packers taking on the Minnesota Vikings. Two teams, they know each other extremely well. This will be a fun one.
Hey, this is going to be a physical affair. This will be a game that will be decided by the play in the trenches.
Yeah, you look at the trenches, and how about this run game for the Green Bay Packers, the way they were able to get rolling. When I went back and looked at the tape last week against the Dallas Cowboys, a lot of times you think, okay, they got the run game going, must be just the offensive line. Now, this is a group effort, and you're going to see it right here. At the bottom of the screen, take a look at the wide receiver down here at the bottom. This is a little push to crack. Going to push up to the safety, seal him off, help get the alley, so he gets his job done, force the corner, Skandrick, to make the tackle. Now you get to the line of scrimmage. Got your five guys, but let's not forget about the tight ends. Here they're in a two tight end look. Nice little pin block there. Seal it, get outside. Aaron Jones gets loose. So the run game got rolling. It wasn't just the five guys up front. It was a group effort, especially on the outside with those wide receivers and on the end of the line with those two tight ends.
I mean, they brought back the old Packers sweep, taking it around the corner. If they can run the ball successfully, that really opens up the field for Aaron Rodgers. It's part of what they want to do, create enough balance where they can start to use play action to create the big plays in the passing game. When I look on the other side of the ball, the Minnesota Vikings, is their ability to control the line of scrimmage and really to force you into long yardage situations. The guys that they have up front, Daniel Hunter, Everson Griffin, Anthony Barr being able to drop down. They do a great job of limiting those big plays, and they make you throw against a loaded defense. If they're able to control the game at the line of scrimmage, I think the Minnesota Vikings have a great opportunity to get a dub.
All right, pick a winner here. Who do you like in this ball game, Buck?
You know, I'm going to go with the Green Bay Packers. It comes down to quarterback play. Aaron Rodgers over Case Keenum. I'm going with Aaron Rodgers.
Yeah, I can't argue with that. I like the Green Bay Packers as well. I think this run game, finding some balance, going to take some of that pressure off of Aaron Rodgers. Maybe a little bit lower scoring game, but I like the Packers to get this done as well. Remember, you can check out all of our Move the Sticks content. Just go to NFL.com/MTS video as well as YouTube.com/NFL.